Hi, in this Panasonic washing machine, we can clearly see that at the left side there is no space between tub and body, and at the right side there is a space. It's a clearly top view. You can see here is a space, and inside there is no space. It's a top view. There is no clothes, so there is no point of imbalance due to clothes. It's a purely water inside it. Even you can start, even if you can see it after starting, still you can see how much space difference between left and right. This is space here, and to the left side there is no space. This is resulting noise when this tub is touching body during rinse and spin, and this problem Panasonic engineers are not able to understand, which I am trying from last December. This problem is from day one, and Panasonic is not capable to understand this gap or imbalance positioning of the tub. This is the only requirement they are not able to understand. If they are not able to understand, they cannot resolve this. So this video is for Panasonic to understand the problem.